Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your own website with Google Sites. With little to no initial investment, guys, you can do it from anywhere in the world, and it's super important for you to follow every single possible step that I'm going to show you right now. So please listen to me carefully and let's get started. First thing first that you need to do, of course, is to go to sites.google.com. Right here, you can check it out. Plenty of stuff for you, but it's super easy to use. I mean, it's convenient, it's for everyone. You do not need any prior coding knowledge or something like that, so don't worry about that. So you can check it out. Start a new site, guys, right here. Blank family update portfolio. You can have these amazing templates, and you can either press on template gallery, guys, and see personal right here, family update portfolio for work, for small business, for education, something like that. You can find anything that suits you and anything that is right for you guys. You can do it for yourself straight away here. Also, if you prefer maybe classic sites, you can just press in bottom left corner and be redirected here to their classic Google sites, guys. But let's focus on this one right here. We'll not use any template. Let's create our own for first. Blank site, we can press on it, guys, and be redirected straight away here. Sites.google.com, guys, you can check it out. And first thing first that you need to know and that you need to do here is, of course, untitled site, guys, needs to be changed. So it needs to have a name. So right here, for example, it will be the name of your site, but we'll put right here ours. So let's see, Wave of Wealth. Then after that, enter site name, guys, you can check it out. That's okay, that's perfect. You can see once you press on it, it will be straight away here. After that, you can add your logo if you like that. If you have one, guys, you can just press on add a new logo right here, guys, and you can see navigation, brand images, viewer tools, custom domains, analytics, announcement, banner, and everything. You can upload the logo and everything, guys. You can press on upload right here from your computer, press on it, open, and then it's perfect. It's basically perfect. It looks amazing right here. You can see you can select an image from your drive and everything, but we select one right here, and here's our logo from our channel, Wave of Wealth. We have a name, we have a logo. You can edit it right here, guys, for more stuff. You can switch the colors and everything, but I will leave this part for you. After that, we need our header. We need something that people see straight away when they come to your website. So what will that be right here? It's up to you again, but we'll just type in one simple welcome right here, like this. So this is the first thing that people that goes to your site will see. So something catchy, something short. It can be something connected to your site, to something that your site provides, or something like that, to your niche or something like that, guys. So keep that in your mind. Here is something that they will see straight away that needs to catch their eyes, guys. So please focus on that. Header type right here, image, you can upload a new image. Header type right here, you can press on it, guys, and see banner, title only, large banner, guys, and everything. You can see, for example, like this, title only, cover, or something like that. You can see how it looks like. So let's leave it in that way, this way, for example, right now. Also, after that, you have this one right here, background. You can switch it, guys, right here from simple. You have some amazing stuff out here. Aristotle Diplomat, guys, for example, you can press on this one right here. You can switch colors down below, guys. Or if you do not like those prepared colors for you, already prepared, you can just press right here, guys, and maybe find some color that suits you right here. Black, something red. We can go to yellow, green right here. Let's see, let's find something more yellow like this, or stuff like that, but you get the point. Right here, you can switch the color. You can switch the color of your homepage right here. So please keep that in your mind. Also, what's the next step for you guys once you have prepared everything, your header, your logo, your name, and everything? How to insert more pages? Of course, insert button is right here. Text box, images, drive, embed right here, content blocks. So you can see this number one block is, guys, left side is picture, right is text. You can see the next one is 2 pictures, bottom text, of course, 3 pictures, and so on and so on. So for example, we can press on this one right here, and we can see right now actually something happened. So yes, our website just got extended. So you can press right here, guys, for some images. You can upload an image, select an image from drive and everything. You can even do this cool section, YouTube, guys. You can press on YouTube right here, and you can check it out, search all YouTube or past. So let's check it out right here. Let's go to our channel, to some random video right now, guys. Copy this link right here, and then go back to here, paste it, paste our link. And now what we need to do is to just select one. Once selected, insert, and guys, you will see it right now. Here we are. So here I am, basically. This is our video right here on our site, and here you can check the the text right here, of course. So how to make money right here, we can just put like this is Wato video, so we'll just put a TripAdvisor. I'm sorry, but it ain't matter right here. Let's just put in TripAdvisor, and below, right down below, we can just copy and paste the headline or something like that. I mean, it's up to you. As I said, guys, you're probably not the YouTubers, but you get the point what you need to do here. So how to, sorry, something like that, or I don't know what you want to do. You don't have to put any sign after that. So you can see the point. You can see how this looks like for now. And after this, you can again do this, guys. You have another one. You can paste some image. You can paste another YouTube video if you like that, calendar, map, or something like that. But if you want to delete one block, just press on delete, select and delete, guys. Is that easy? You do not have to add blocks, of course. You can do it for yourself. Some other stuff, collapsible group, table of content, image carousel is here, guys. So insert images, at least 2 images right here. Let's check it out. Upload, of course, from our computer right now, and upload it. Open it right here and insert, guys, and you can check it out. Here it is. After this, once you uploaded your image carousel, guys, you can move it. You can see how you can move it, where it can stay, how it looks like. Let's move it to the middle. Is this a middle? Yes, it is. So looks pretty neat, pretty cool, pretty decent. Right here you can see this is carousel, 3 pictures. My 3 pictures, guys, random one screenshot, so it's just a point for you to understand how to make it, how to do it. And after something else that I want to share with you guys, if you want to upload an image from internet, guys, please be aware of some restrictions, guys. Be aware, please, to credit the original owner. Rights of the original owner are some serious stuff, guys, so I highly recommend to check out and elements for that. You can find these amazing pictures, and that's why I said this is a little to no investment. You can do it with no investment, guys, with your own pictures. But if you want to use some media, videos, or photos of other people, you need to go to stuff like that, to platforms like this, guys, and Wato Elements. Find some amazing stock pictures, guys, and it will enrich, it will make your website more and more rich, more pleasant for the eye, more eye-catching, guys. And that's why I think it's definitely a good solution for you to get in Wato Elements, because you can check it out, guys, right now. Take a look at the amounts of pictures, guys, by colors, by people, by everything right here. You can get it, guys, right now. You have some free trial on Wato Elements and everything. Link will be down below, of course, so check it out again for some amazing eye-catching stock photos. Also, after that, guys, what you have right here after carousel, you have a button in the divider. If you press on the divider, you can see it will create a little divider, guys, on your website, but we will delete it for now, or we do not have to. It can stay, why not? So button section, this is extremely important, guys, for you, because right here you can see the name. For example, you can redirect people to a specific site, to a specific social media or something like that. So let's see how it works. And Wato right here, and we need our link, of course, guys, so let's check it out. Copy right here the link of Wato, I'm just sorry, of why not photos, and Wato Elements, paste right here, insert, and let's see, we have it right here. And what's the most important thing for you guys? Again, you can totally customize it right here, guys. Style 1, style 3, you can see how it looks like. You can even move it on your page, guys. It can be on the middle, left, right, why not, guys? You can check it out and do it by your choice, by your imagination. How do you like, guys, for your website to looks like? And you can see in a couple of minutes we made a pretty decent front page right now, guys, with plenty of information, plenty of links, plenty of pictures, videos, and everything, and that's really nice. So please, as I said, follow every single possible step, but the most important thing for you to understand is your imagination is key to success right now. And after that, what's your next step, guys? If you're satisfied with this, of course you do not have to, but what you can see down below, add footer right here. For example, you can put stuff like, guys, copyright right now. You can check it out here straight away. You have this menu, guys, with any text that you type in. You have this menu from styles, play for display, guys, font size right here. You can switch it for some maybe bigger ones at least. You can bold it, guys, right now. Let's check it out. Let's bold it, and then you can do it right this. So stuff like that, it's again up to you. You have this section. You can insert a link, emojis, guys, and stuff like that, but again, it's for you. Also, duplicate section, delete section, and section colors. Again, as I said, guys, you can check it out right now. And right here you can see style 3, for example, right here, guys. It's super easy to use, super easy for you. So again, as I said, it's up to you. Give it a shot. And down below we have dividers, spacers, social links, placeholder, YouTube, calendar, map, docs, slides, sheets, forms, charts, guys. I'm aware you can all figure it out, how to check it out for yourself. Also some themes out here, guys. You can set on copyright, I restyle right now. You can switch it, guys, and see how it looks like. It's definitely amazing. As far as pages, you have a home page right here, but we want something else. Plus, new menu section, guys, full page embed, guys, new link or new page. Page name will be, for example, let's just say about us. And after you put that, you can see automatically it is giving a consistency to your site, guys. It's actually the same header right now, same design. You can see the footer is also the same, about us. But also what you can see, guys, is this cool section. You can see home, about us, and everything. You have this cool menu, guys. You can switch from it from home right now. You can see everything that we made before. About us is here as well. And then you can repeat the process again. You can add 2 pictures right here, guys, for yourself, text below that, or you can just insert table of contents. You can insert, guys, sheets, slides, forms, charts right here, guys. You can press on it and find some amazing charts, guys, for yourself. So again, it's up to you. It's up to your design. It's basically mostly dependable on what your niche is, what your website is about, and everything. So yeah, you get the point. Super easy to use. It ain't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or expert, guys. You can give it a shot and check it out right now. Also, preview. You can press on preview, guys, and see how your site's supposed to look like. So it's this right here, home section. We can go back, guys, and see we need much more design than this, of course, but this is just a tutorial, basic tutorial video for complete beginners. So yeah, you can see right now how it will look like, for example, on phone, and you can check it out on tablet, guys. It looks pretty decent in my opinion. It's not that bad at all on tablet right now, guys. So yeah, it's okay. I think it's okay. So yeah, definitely explore it for yourself and check it out right now. Press on X, guys, and you are good to go back. So after that, once you made your slides, once you made everything that you want to make, guys, once you get some pictures on Envato or some platform else, what you need to do else, again, of course, you can do this, share with others. You can press on it, guys, and see. You can share Wave of Wealth website, add people, groups, and calendar events. People with access is only me for now, but you can also share with someone so he can do a review. He can share with you their valid opinion or something like that, and then you can know that your website is legit, eye-catching, cool, simple to use, and everything. So as I said, here is the section, share with others. Also after that, publish. Wave of Wealth, guys, you can see you can type in web address right now. It will be https://sites.google.com/view/wave of wealth. You can, if you put something like this, it will automatically add it right now. Or you can do it a paid custom domain right now, guys, but that's again paid section, paid solution for you. Publish after that, guys, publishing, and then your site has been published successfully. View right here. Here it is. So here is our website, guys. Home section right now. Okay, that's for now. It's an error, but about us, home section. You can copy this link right now. Copy, press, and select, and share with your friends, with your family, with someone, and they can access to your site. And that's pretty cool, pretty neat. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe notification like button. Until the next time, goodbye.